Hey guys, Rockstar for Life here, and today I'm bringing you another layout update slash unboxing video. This is actually the first of a twofer I've actually done. So hopefully I can impress you guys with what I have to show. So this is my layout right now. I'm working on the mountain area. There's still gaps I need to fill in, the plaster cloth. But what I have next to me is a package, again from Model Train Stuff. So oh yeah, that's the Nintendo Entertainment System in the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it, and you'll see what's inside. All right, so I unboxed it, and now I'm gonna take the bubble wrap out if I can. I think I read that this was approximately 4 pounds. First thing I got is Woodland Scenic Smooth It for road systems, because it's almost time to do that. I got glue sticks because I'm running out. Well, I ran out, so I need more. I also ran out of plastic cloth, so I got more of that. And lastly, if I can get this out, this is approximately 3 pounds of an alternative sculpt mold modeling compound. And I might be doing some of this in a little bit. So let's go back to the layout. As you can see, I painted some of my rocks with my own custom liquid pigment, so I'm going to do more of that, and I'll show you how I can do it. You can see that I have a rock over there. I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to show you how I make my liquid pigments. The mixtures are as followed. So add a few drops of the yellow ochre and all the other colors that are labeled on the cups. After diluting them with water, you're now ready to paint your rock face. Alright, so here's how I paint my rock faces. First, I take the my yellow ochre, apply it like leopard spots across like 1/3 of the rock face. Next, I apply the burnt umber across most of the white spots. I then apply the stone gray over the entire rock face. Here, I'm going to place it down so that it may be a bit tedious, but in the end, it's all good. If you're not satisfied with your rock, you can always get the pigments, and just be sure to put lightest to darkest. Like, as you can see, I'm taking some of the burnt umber and reapplying it over some of the yellow. It's all good. Finally, when that's all said and done, use a black wash in order to get all the cracks and crevices. This will darken the rock face and give it the color that you want. Now, wait for it to dry, and this is your final result after painting. As you can see, there are a few holes in the mountain, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of the sculpt mold that I have here and try to figure out how to use it in order to fill those spots. What now you're about to see is a time lapse of me applying sculpt mold on, so enjoy that. Although it's not perfect, but see how much of a difference that makes? I'll work it in later off screen. Maybe sometime later I'll show you how to do the smooth it system or something about that. I don't know exactly. But waiting for the rock face to dry and waiting for the sculpt mold to set, I think we're all good for the unboxing and layout update. I made some pretty serious progress here. Hopefully I can get the tunnel portals in and fix up the mountain and then get ready to be on that side. But that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.